Let's create a toggle switch animation in Figma. Create a frame, and color it blue. Use the ellipse tool to create a circle, then color it dark blue, and add layer blur. Now, create a rounded button, and add 2 circle in the button, and color the bigger one yellow, and smaller one white. Duplicate the frame, and turn its color to darker blue shades. Now, change the button color to black, and make the small circle bigger, and arrange it like I did. Now, copy the setting that I did in Prototype Options. And, that's how it is done.